Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mova DIY. Today I will show you how to crochet snowflake keychains. It took me about 15 minutes to complete, maybe even less. They are very easy to make, and I hope you will have some beautiful snowflakes after watching this video. Now let's do it together. First, I use a light pink yarn. Then we make a magic ring. Now we chain 3. Here we got 3 chains. I will use a marker to mark 3rd chain. Then chain 2. Next, we will do 1 double crochet and chain 2. Repeat 5 times in total. Now we will repeat the first time. We make 1 double crochet in the magic ring. And chain 2. We completed the first time. We continue to repeat the second time. We do 1 double crochet in the magic ring. Then chain 2. Here we have repeated it for the second time. Now we do 1 double crochet and chain 2 a third time. Do 1 double crochet and chain 2 on the 4th time. And do double crochet and chain 2 on the 5th time. We have completed 5 iterations of the pattern. We will pull the yarn to close the circle. Now, to finish round 1, we make a slip stitch in this marked 3rd chain. Then we crochet round 2. After completing round 1, we will have a total of 6 holes. Now, we will crochet into these holes. In the first hole, we will make a slip stitch. And chain 3. We will count these 3 chains as 1 double crochet. I will use a marker to mark 3rd chain. Then we do 3 double crochet stitches in the same first hole. and chain 2. So we have completed the first hole. In the remaining holes, we will do the same pattern. I will give you an example in the second hole. In the second hole, we make 4 double crochet stitches. Here we got 4 double crochet stitches in the same second hole. Then we chain 2. We have finished the second hole. Now, we repeat the same with the remaining holes. I continue the example for you in the third hole. We do 4 double crochet stitches in the same third hole. Then we chain 2. I also finished the third hole. Next, repeat the same pattern with the remaining holes. Here, I have completed the 6th hole. The 6th hole is the last hole. To finish round 2, we will make a slip stitch into the marked 3rd chain. Before we continue crocheting, we need to note here, we have 6 holes. The hole positions will be below the 2 chains of the previous round. Now in round 3, we will repeat one pattern a total of 6 times. We do the first repeat. As mentioned earlier, we count these 3 chains as one double crochet. Therefore, I will consider this as first double crochet. Now in the second and third double crochet of the previous round, we do 1 slip stitch in each stitch. Now we chain 3. In the first hole, we do a slip stitch. And chain 5. Next, we make a slip stitch in the first hole. And chain 7. Continue to do a slip stitch in the same first hole. Then chain 5. And make a slip stitch in the same first hole. Then chain 3. We have completed the first repeat. Next, we will repeat this pattern 5 more times. Now we continue to repeat the second time. In the second and third double crochet of the previous round, we do 1 slip stitch in each stitch. Then chain 3. In the second hole, we make a slip stitch. Then we chain 5. We do a slip stitch in the same second hole. Next chain 7. Continue to do a slip stitch in the same second hole. Then chain 5. And we make a slip stitch in the same second hole. And chain 3. We have completed the second repeat. Next, we will repeat this pattern 4 more times. Here I have completed 6 repetitions. Then we make a slip stitch into the second stitch. We cut yarn. We use a yarn needle to hide the tail. Finally, I will attach a keychain to the snowflake. You can use the same one as me or any keychain you have.